Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy cabbage. First, select a fresh, firm head of cabbage, ensuring its leaves are crisp and vibrant. Next, remove any bruised or damaged outer leaves and rinse the cabbage thoroughly under cool water. Finally, cut the cabbage into quarters, then slice or chop it into your desired size for cooking, whether for sautéing or roasting. There are several fantastic ways to cook cabbage, each offering a unique texture and flavor. Sautéing it in a pan with a little oil until tender crisp is quick and delicious. Roasting cabbage in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit caramelizes its natural sugars, giving it a wonderful sweetness. For a softer texture, you can boil or steam it until it reaches your preferred tenderness. To truly elevate your cabbage, consider adding complementary flavors. Sautéing it with aromatic vegetables like sliced onions and minced garlic provides a savory base. Spices such as caraway seeds, smoked paprika, or a pinch of red pepper flakes can add warmth and depth. A splash of apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice at the end brightens the entire dish, balancing the richness. Your yummy cabbage is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many ways. It makes a fantastic side dish for roasted meats or poultry. You can also incorporate it into hearty stews, comforting soups, or quick stir-fries for added texture and nutrition. For a final touch, garnish with fresh chopped parsley, dill, or chives to add a burst of color and herbaceous flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.